Can't bring me down.
Yeah?
Why?
Because, I don't know.
One more nice piece there. Where'd you go? Run back inside of it?
Yeah. Either that or you still live. So for all you animal lovers out there, I'm sorry. I just had to do this way. Good for work.
Look at that sexy thing right there. Look at that sexy thing. It's even hotter than the last one.
I am way too hot for this shit. Should I put the candle in the fire? Should I put the candle in the fire? I missed the fire.
Fire, yes.
No, I'm in fire.
Can I throw that lighter in there? Oh, film it. What time is it? 5? What? What time is it? Okay, well I'd say it's around 5 o'clock right now, and this is how the camp's doing. Yes! I'm guessing Justin just got a tree out. Yeah, he did. Look at him, he's doing the lean-to. Going insane, I think.
There we go.
Going insane. I'm scared the people with me might eat me. Okay, look, he found some oil. Yay, oil. Come here. See if there's oil. Nothing in it, you fucking turd.
Ah! Tricked ya.
Fuck you.
It was turned on. A whole lot.
Oh, let's see how big it gets.
Yo.
Film it.
I am.
Oh, okay, look at this. Okay, we're ending the video now, so we just decided to waste all our firewood. Okay, so look. Come on over here. This is a lean-to, like we might have said. This is the body of it. Look, it's not done. Don't make it like this. Put the sticks across this way. Going there. Get moss, leaves, grass. This grass right here would be good for it. Just put it there. Done. Make sure it's waterproof. If you had a garbage bag, this would be a lot better. You would put the garbage bag over this right now and then start putting the sticks across. Okay, come on over here now.
Yes,
To make a single fire for the night, you would take this. Give me your knife.
He's quite slow, isn't he? Look how slow he's going. I could go faster than that.
Take some of this Christmas tree, I forget what it's called.
Evergreen.
Evergreen. Take that, put it on fire. Look at that smoke already coming instantly. So if you see a plane, put that shit on. You have to put a lot more than that. That's not making that much.
Wait, your sticks have to be formed in a triangular position so that the smoke rises up.
Yeah, do that. actually made this smoke a lot bigger fire. But okay, you put the sticks up in a triangle position, you know, like you just said. Then to make a fire, signal fire for that was for the night. Remember, it's the day. Don't get it mixed up. That's for the night. You put that evergreen shit on top of the triangular thing. It'll make a fuckload of smoke go up in the sky. The plane will see. Okay, so if it's the day, which it is, you would want to use plastic. Put this shit. Plastic.
That's perfect, and it's even already shaped in a triangle, so the smoke's gonna go straight up through the top.
Place that.
Idiot. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out!
Is it on fire?
No.
On.
No shit. The smoke's coming out. It's a bomb. My tripod's starting to get hot. Ow,
Yes.
ow, ow.
Basically there.
Anything
It'll
else?
make black, dark smoke. See? Sort of darker. Better than nothing.
What else, Mr. Wolf?
Because that's pretty much it. You just sit around until you get rescued. Plants. Take a plant. You need water. Take a plant. Get a garbage bag, whatever. Put it up in a tree. Put the plants in it. Wait a day. There'll be water in the bag. Look at that.
Look at all
Look
that.
at the dark smoke. See? At the bottom. If you had a lot more plastic, smaller plastic would make it even darker.
It's coming out the top. See that? I don't feel like zooming in. But you can see with your own eyes.
But you gotta think one thing. This is poisonous. Plastic, when it is on fire, is poisonous. So don't inhale the smoke. And another thing is, stay dry or you're gonna die. Get your feet. Don't take a knife and start scratching off all your feet with the fucking knife because you're gonna hurt it, and then you're not gonna be able to walk. And you need your feet. That's the most important part of survival is your feet. Don't get wet, especially. Try to stay hydrated, and don't take your water if you have any. You'll be like, I'm thirsty. For 2 hours.
I do that right now.
Look, let's go. Put some more plastic in there. This might burn better.
That might have some extra oil in it.
Cheers.
Just put your pants in it.
Let me get that water.
Oh, I'm so damn thirsty. Show it to the camera.
That's the water.
No, show inside.
I'm gonna drink some of this. Oh, fuck! Forgot that it's spilling out.
Yummy. Oh my god! Why do tripods have to be so noisy? Shit, that's a lot of smoke.
See, good. This is good, except for we're in your city and someone's gonna call the police. Time to go bye-bye. I think we should get out of here. It smells disgusting.
It's not that much.
It's a fuckload. Except for it's getting over the sky, so. But look at that! Look at you! You're gonna get survived! But I wouldn't pour water on it, because then if they didn't see it.
Al Gore, don't watch this.
Yes. That. Oh, half the sticks didn't even catch on fire.
Na 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 na. Why am I singing that?
Okay, well that was the end of the survival video. I hope you remember everything.
We'll have more with more survival tips later on.